with Herbert Peabody, rhubarb and apple crumble, full recipe included. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. The chickens have something they've prepared. The rhubarb growing in Herbie's veggie patch. And now it's ready to be shared. We chop off the leaves and place them flat to help stop the weeds growing. We harvest the stalks to make a recipe. With Granddad, that's where we're going. Granddad has ingredients for rhubarb apple crumble. He chops Herbie's rhubarb with care and rinses it with water, then transfers it to a pot to prepare. It's time to get our apples ready. We remove the core and the peel. Can Granddad peel all the skin in one go? Yes, he can. Unreal. We chop the apples into pieces and into a big pot they go. Add Herbie's rhubarb and a sprinkle of sugar and some water like so. We light the stove and put on the pot and add a sweet cinnamon stick. We put the lid on for our fruit to stew. Now it's time for the topping with a trick. We add oats and flour into a bowl. Now Herbie's tricky ingredient, coconut. A sprinkle of sugar goes in too, and we use a wooden spoon to mix it up. Now we cut our butter and melt it on the stove's heat. The butter slowly melts away. Then mix it in to make our topping complete. One last stir of our stewed fruit. Then we pour it into a baking dish and sprinkle our crumbly topping for the perfect amount that we wish. Our rhubarb apple crumble is almost done. Into the oven it goes. Look, there's a special treat for someone. Come with us, Granddad knows. We're going to the worm farm. The worms are having a party today. Our food scraps make the best party food. And the worms have fun as they eat and play. Back inside, we check on our crumble. And it's ready. Hooray! It's time to serve it up to share. And plan our next adventure